Hey, what is going on, my XRP holders? We are in a very good position in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit right now. Ripple has even said it themselves, Stuart Alderty, late last month, that summary judgment is due any day now. All right? Any day now. Here from Crypto Insight UK, all the legal experts covering the Ripple versus SEC case are saying summary judgment is coming very soon. Like today or within a week or so. And the craziest part is that the chief legal officer at Ripple literally said just a week ago that summary judgment is happening any day now. All right? Any day now. The official predictions from James K. Fillon are March 31st, 2023, on that date or before that date. Check this out, this little thread here from Fred Rispoli. He ended up hosting a Twitter space last night with the YouTuber Mickle Markets, attorney Jeremy, and XRP Productions. And Fred Rispoli here is kind of has a little 8-tweet thread on the big takeaways of this latest ruling by Judge Torres. See, so yesterday's video, I showed you guys the tweet from James K. Fillon and kind of went over the little stuff I could find and then the conclusion of the ruling. But to be honest, all that legal jargon, I couldn't really break it down into layman's terms for you guys because I am not a legal expert by any means. However, Fred Rispoli here, I think, is much more qualified to do so. And let's read this little thread of just a recap of a Twitter space yesterday with Jeremy Hogan, Mickle Markets, XRP Productions. So, big takeaways. Let's get a little ultra zoom on this. This is kind of worth the ultra zoom, I think. Big takeaways. One, I think the question, did Ripple sell XRP like a security, is going to trial, but there is a chance it does not. Judge Torres hints she is strongly considering the blue skies legal argument. Number two, SEC took heavy losses, Ripple took minor ones. Duty's causation opinions were struck, and Ripple's experts are allowed to give unrebutted causation testimony on reasonable purchaser expectations. SEC does have a little causation testimony allowed from expert number 3, but Judge Torres even stated in her ruling how Ripple can attack that. SEC expert number 2 can't opine about the materiality of, quote, important disclosures by Ripple. Another blow. Like Duty, expert number 4 cannot testify, quote, how his personal experience provides him with sufficient basis for speculating about how others would behave. Expert number 5 also cannot give causation testimony. All in all, one of the major elements SEC must prove was almost, but not 100% wiped out. Judge Torres is now giving 50-50 legal questions to Ripple. This is the result of SEC overplaying its hand and litigating like entitled little brats they are. Example, SEC experts can't opine on XRP purchaser XRP purchaser expectations, but Ripple experts can testify exactly to this from federal tax law and virtual currency perspectives. 4. Judge Torres ruled that Ripple will be allowed to provide evidence of all the uses that XRP has. Didn't SEC frequently whine that XRP had no use other than speculative investment? Whoopsie. Number 5. While I think case is going to trial, I do think Judge Torres will rule that the SEC has not put forth any substantive evidence that the secondary sales of XRP are securities. Don't think she'll rule that such sales are never securities, just that these aren't before the court. This type of ruling would put the burden on the SEC to individually attack each secondary sale. Bask in the glory of the SEC's failure. All right. Little tweet from John Deaton here. Just a reminder. This is a quote that SEC lawyers tried to get Judge Torres to bar John Deaton from participating in the case. They asked the judge, they pleaded with the judge, please, oh, please remove John Deaton because he is a great threat to our lawsuit. In part because he revealed the name of their expert witness. Instead, she not only did not ban Deaton, but agreed with him that the expert should not testify on behalf of XRP holders. We're in a great position in the XRP lawsuit, guys. I am really genuinely fulfilled and satisfied with how this lawsuit has gone over the first 2 years. Because when the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit first hit, we're getting delisted. We're crashing 80% in price. Thank you, SEC, by the way. Billions of dollars in market cap damages that you don't want to talk about. But, you know, when the lawsuit first came about, man, I was honestly terrified. I remember I was at my dad's house just sitting on the stairs, both my hands on my head, and I'm just going like, oh my freaking God, I can't believe XRP crashed from 80 cents to 17 cents. My net worth took a huge hit. But you know what? I sat there and I went, you know what? This is how the market wants me to feel. I'm going to buy more XRP when there's blood in the streets. That's exactly what I did. Looks like it turned out pretty good. But honestly, I could have never expected, like if I could go back in time and tell the me from 2.5 years ago, hey, yeah, this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is going tremendously at the moment. I don't even think I would have believed myself, to be honest here. I mean, especially the judge. What I really appreciate about Judge Torres is that Judge Torres is not taking sides with either Ripple or the SEC. She's being incredibly fair, in my opinion, letting both sides get an equal opportunity at attack and defense. And it just so happens to be that Ripple is doing much better on the attack and defense side, getting the SEC on a lot of technicalities, and they're just absolutely destroying them, you know? Last one for today from Tony Edward from the Thinking Crypto podcast. So this is interesting, something that's also going on with the SEC. Breaking, U.S. court likely to overturn the SEC's denial of Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. Bloomberg Intelligence, this could, quote, unlock $5.5 billion in value. If both Ripple and Grayscale get a victory against the SEC, it would be huge for crypto. So they're expecting here, senior litigation analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence thinks that Grayscale is 70% likely to win, overturning the SEC's denial of the Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. Guys, that's it for the video for today. We're doing good out there. I know the cryptocurrency prices, I know. We hate to see it going down. That's really weird. Bitcoin is down 1%. Ethereum is down 1%, but XRP is up 2.5% on the day, 38 cents per coin. Maybe because the freaking SEC lawsuit's going so well. Thank you very much. All right, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do smash the like, subscribe, hit those post notifications down below. And appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Goodbye.